Hello viewers. Actually many users want to buy tablets in the Black Friday sale, but the price of each and every tablet is on the higher side. So many people are asking me what will be the next sale and when it will come. Before the end of 2024 you will get another sale, that will be the Christmas sale, and that will come just before the Christmas. It may be 10 days or 7 days before Christmas. That sale also bring new offers on tablets, but I am not sure whether the price will come down or not, because as per the latest trends, after Big Billion Days sale and Diwali sale, the price of each and every tablet is too much, so you cannot expect a price drop. However, you may get some offers on some certain tablets. Now some users are asking me what will be the card offers or which credit card will be eligible for cashback. As of now it is not possible for me to say which credit cards will be available for discount, but it might be said that the cards like HDFC and SBI may be on the list in terms of giving cashbacks and offers. Now if you talk about the final pricing or the best price of each and every tablet, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, the best price will be 26 to 27,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, the best price will be 19 to 20,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price will be 23 to 25,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version. And if you want to buy MI Pad 6, actually a good offer was running. You can buy the 128GB version at around 20,000 rupees, but in Big Billion Days this product was available at 17,999. And if you want to buy Oneplus Pad, in that case for the 12GB and 256GB version, the best price will be 23,000 to 24,000 rupees. And if you want to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case for the 128GB version, the best price will be 33,000 rupees. And for the 256GB, the 36,000 rupees will be the best price. If you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case you may buy 4 tablets. The first one is Poco Pad 5G, and the second tablet is Redmi Pad Pro, and the third tablet is OnePlus Pad Go. Or if you want a Samsung product, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So finally, in the conclusion, it might be said that another sale will come in the name of Christmas sale on Flipkart and Amazon, and you may get offers in that sale. However, there is no confirmation about the final pricing, so you have to wait till the teaser of that sale comes out. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to know the best price of each and every tablet, stay connected with this channel by subscribing with notification bell on, so that you don't miss out any video whenever I upload any video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.